So Alec Baldwin was charged with involuntary manslaughter. Those charges have been dropped, and we just heard a little bit about why. But what more evidence could come in that would cause these prosecutors to say, never mind, we're not going to charge him, or we're going to dismiss it for now and possibly bring it back later?
Well, you should take your hat off really to the prosecutors for doing their job. I mean, I know that sounds, you'd like to assume everybody would do their job, but this is a new set of prosecutors. There was a conflict of interest. And so these new prosecutors came in, and listen, I may have even been on NewsNation saying that it doesn't really make a lot of sense. The guy's saying, oh, I never pulled the trigger, but the gun went off. I mean, I would even say that's ridiculous. Guns don't go off without you pulling the trigger. But apparently the new prosecutors using new forensic investigators found that gun was altered somehow before it arrived on the set that day, that it could have gone off without having the trigger pulled. And I don't know, Mitch, I'm sure you've never heard of a gun that goes off without the trigger being pulled. But if now, as a prosecutor, you have a ethical obligation to do the right thing, basically, if it comes out that this is a gun that could go off without the trigger being pulled.
Well, yeah, I mean, and Arthur, that's what led prosecutors initially to bring the charges, is they said the FBI had analyzed the weapon and there was no way that this gun could possibly go off without pulling the trigger. And according to the New York Times, there was more information given to the prosecutors that said that it was manipulated before it was handed to Alec Baldwin, and that it now could go off. And I just don't quite understand how the FBI gets it wrong and somebody else gets it right, or how the prosecution takes the word of somebody private as opposed to the FBI.
Well, because don't forget, the prosecutor has a job to only bring charges they can prove beyond a reasonable doubt. So if you have the FBI expert on one hand, and you have a private expert on another hand, and one saying it can and one saying it can't, well, then what happens, Mitch, at a trial is it really becomes a battle of the experts, and you're going to have the defendant testifying, I didn't pull the trigger. Now he's going to have an expert saying, yeah, you didn't need to pull the trigger on this gun. And who knows, maybe after the independent forensic expert looked at the gun, they brought it back to the FBI, and the FBI said, maybe he's right. Because, nobody's perfect. Not the FBI, not my auto mechanic, not me for sure.
Sure, I understand that.
What people do have to understand, though, the reason why this was done was to stop what's called the speedy trial time clock. Because, once you charge someone, you have a certain amount of time to bring charges.
Well, so that's part of this deal, right? Is they can still bring these charges back. They dismiss them so that they don't have to bring them now, but they could still bring it back at a later date.
They dismiss them what's called without prejudice. If it was with prejudice, it's over. But without prejudice means, okay, we have a certain amount of time. It's got to be within the statute of limitations, but we can come back and revisit this. If I was betting $20, I would say we're not going to see new charges against Alec Baldwin.
Arthur, real quick, I'm looking for a yes or a no. Are you going to bother to see this movie after talking about it for hours?
No, but I think a lot of people are, and that's why he got the executive credit, because maybe, on top of the money he already got, from the settlement, maybe he'll get more money from the movie, The Deceased Husband.
All right, a legal expert, perhaps not a movie fan. We'll check back with him. We'll get your review later, okay? That's Arthur Aidala. Thank you for joining us.
Thank you for watching. Go to newsnationnow.com to find NewsNation on your television provider. And don't forget to click the red subscribe button below to get more of NewsNation's fact-driven, unbiased coverage.